Did you know that you can earn real money by simply listening to music? No, this isn't a joke. Welcome to the world of Musifiq. Picture this, a vibrant space, bustling with music enthusiasts, where artists from all corners of the globe upload their latest tunes. This is Musifiq, a social music platform that's not just about discovering new music, but also about rewarding your passion. That's right, folks. Musifiq is not your average music streaming platform. What sets it apart is its innovative reward system. As you dive into the musical experience, engaging with tracks that pique your interest, you accumulate rewards. The more you listen, the more you earn. It's as straightforward as that. No gimmicks, no catch, just good music and real rewards. Imagine turning your passion for music into a money-making venture. That's Musifiq for you. Now you might be wondering, how can I earn money on Musifiq? It's simple. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, you need to log in to Musifiq. You can do this either through their web-based dashboard or by using the Musifiq app. It's a straightforward process, and once you're in, you're ready to start earning. Now, how does the earning happen? Well, it's all about the music. Once you've logged in, it's time to select a song that catches your interest. Maybe it's a new release from your favorite artist, or perhaps you're in the mood to explore something entirely new. Either way, once you've picked your tune, simply click to play it. As the music fills your ears, the reward system is automatically triggered. You're not just enjoying music anymore, you're also earning points. And the best part, once the song is over, you receive your reward. But what if you're in love with the song and want to play it on repeat? No problem. Musifiq allows you to play the same song again and again, accumulating rewards each time. Or if you're ready for something new, you can easily transition to the next available track. But let's not forget about the music videos. Yes, you heard it right. Musifiq doesn't limit your earning potential to just audio tracks. Watching music videos is another fantastic way to earn points. Again, the process is as simple as it gets. Watch a music video, earn points, watch it again, earn more points. Now, what happens with these points? They're not just random numbers, they hold real value. These points can be transformed into real money, which can be withdrawn directly to your bank account. So whether you're a music lover looking for new tunes or someone interested in an innovative way to earn money, Musifiq has got you covered. All you need to do is indulge in your musical passion, and the rewards will follow. And there you have it, as simple as playing a song or watching a music video. So are you ready to dive into the world of music and money? It's time to take your passion for music to the next level. The Musifiq app is your key to unlocking a new, exciting, and profitable musical journey. This isn't just about enjoying your favorite songs, it's about earning while doing so. Imagine this. You're on a train ride home, headphones in, lost in the rhythm of a new track. With each beat, you're not just feeling the music, you're earning from it. That's the power of the Musifiq app. It grants you the convenience to earn anywhere, anytime. Whether you're on a lunch break, waiting for a friend, or just chilling at home, Musifiq is your perfect companion. The process is simple. Download the app, log in, select a song, and let the rewards roll in. It's that easy. And the best part, the more you listen, the more you earn. Download the Musifiq app today and start transforming your love for music into a rewarding experience. That's all we have for you today. We appreciate you tuning in. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it around. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this. Remember, with Musifiq, your love for music can be both enjoyable and profitable. So what are you waiting for? Start earning today.